Hey, what's up guys? So the holidays are close by and I wanted to show you guys how I got some icy girl nails at home. So let's go ahead and get started. So to clean up the cuticle area, I am going to be using a round bit to lift up any dead skin. Using a sanding bit, I'm going to clean up around the cuticle area and remove all the shine off of my nail bed. To make sure my cuticle is flush, I'm going to be using a ball head to really lift up all the cuticle left behind. Since my cuticle area was acting a bit stubborn, I went ahead and used some clippers to clean it all up. Now to prep my nails for the tips. I am going to be using the APRES pH bonder, which is a dehydrator, to remove any oils on my nail bed. I then use the primer to make sure these nails stay on as long as possible. For today's nail tips, I will be using the APRES nail tips in the shape medium square. Before I add the nail tips, I need to make sure they are fitted to each of my nails from sidewall to sidewall. To prep the actual tips, I will be using the Gel-X Prep to save me some time. For today's gel, I will be using the APRES Extend Gel. I will go ahead and apply a thin layer on each of my nails, then curing for 30 seconds. I then apply a thin layer on each tip and then scrape the excess off. Now using my portable light, I will cure the tip to my nail by pressing under the light for 15 seconds. To make sure they are cured correctly, I will then use my lamp to cure for another 30 seconds. Using a ceramic drill bit, I am going to clean up around my cuticle area for any gel that might have squeezed out. Going in with my file, I am going to slightly file around the nail, followed by buffing out the shine for a better grip for the gel polish. Before I add any polish, I will be going in with my base coat and curing for 30 seconds. For today's Icy Girl nails, I will be using D&D 529 in the shade Blue River. I will be doing 2 coats of the gel polish and curing for 30 seconds in between. For this set, you will be needing glue and rhinestones. I will be applying some glue at the end of the nails, followed by 1 medium rhinestone on top and 1 small rhinestone right under. To make sure the glue hardens, I will cure for 30 seconds. To finish off, I will be using some clear top coat and curing for 30 seconds. And now we have it. We have some Icy Girl nails for the winter holidays. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.